Yay! Awesome.
I'm finished. Trust me, Sarge. This one's gonna be a cakewalk.
Nice. Aren't you the little bullshitter? Making me believe it's gonna be a cakewalk.
See, like I said, these noise don't have the bulk. Ambush! Run for your lives! The noise are bringing in reinforcements by air.
By air. No, I've killed them all. I think it's because I destroyed the air turret. I'm not supposed to do that, I don't think. It's like, nah, they can't destroy it. Impossible. Oh, wait. They have the rifle, that's right. Oh, the Tesla battery is almost upgraded to awesomeness. Yeah, hello? Hello? Mission? It's not working. Damn it, game. Okay, I'm not destroying... I'm not destroying anything now. Screw that. I want 140,000 bolts. I ain't destroying shit.
This one's gonna be a cakewalk.
Lies. I'll destroy this poor unsuspecting soul, and that's it.
Like I said, these noise don't have the bulk. Run for your lives!
Don't destroy the air defences. No air defences will be destroyed. That's why. I think that was it. Oh, the Tesla barrier leveled up. Nice. What do you want? A medal? What now? What are you waiting for? I didn't destroy the airships. What do you want me to do?
Oh, I think you gotta kill all the enemies.
I have. They're all dead.
Not those.
Apart from them, I killed them last time though. Okay, everything's dead. Nothing on the map, nothing on the radar. Nothing on the radar. There's nothing on the radar whatsoever. There's nothing. What do you want me to do?
Doesn't paranoid things pop up? Nope. What the hell?
What you doing to me, game? You're like pissing me off.
I think it broke on you.
No. That's 140,000 bolts that I wanted. Damn you all. I'll wait here for a minute.
That sucks balls. Wait, there's an enemy on your map, sort of. Or is those blue dots?
Blue dots are mine.
Nah.
What if I kill the Galactic Rangers?
Dots.
What if I kill my own men? What happens
Kill
then?
your friends. Your friends are enemies.
Alright, you two. Yeah, you. Die. You can't die. Damn.
You can't die. Oh, that sucks.
What do I do?
Your game has officially said fuck off.
It worked the last time. That's how I was able to get the bloody trophy. Why not now? There are enemies now. What the shit?
What the hell?
Holy fuck, there's loads of them. Help me.
Holy crap.
Okay, so every time I died, did they all just come here now? All the times I died, what the fuck, dude? It's like, no. We officially say no to you.
Running around actually helps.
That was so weird. What the hell, game? I mean, they didn't appear forever. What? Did they mean to attack me and they arrived late or something? What the hell? It's not very good tactical advantages.
I'm sorry.
it was H22's birthday. We're having a party. Quote from later on in the game. That's awesome. I love that. It's funny. It's H22's birthday. We're having a party. Now that I've taken it out, what do you want me to do? You're never going to turn up here either? Huh? Huh? This squadron's late too. Do you mind if you wait a little bit? No, I'm trying to have a battle here. Okay, am I done? Will you call me officially done? Right, I'm making it back to the base and then go and head back, because it seemed to work last time. If I just mosey around here for a bit. Oh, I'm good at stuff here. Look, there's a box I've broken. Let's break that. Oh, I've wasted time. Let's see if they've arrived. Let's go. Come on, let's play. Where are they?
Oh my god.
Where the hell are they?
Keep your eyes peeled.
Oh, you're here now, are you? Fascinating.
Wow, that works. That's so weird.
What the hell?
You found the most awesome
Because I mean, I had to buy a new disc. Because I had to get the and I got the platinum version. But that hasn't happened to me before. That's a little bit new.
because I'm here. It hates me.
No, sure that's not it. The Galactic Rangers seem to be getting their asses kicked. Tesla, kill them now.
I'm pretty sure your fan base doesn't hate me.
No, of course not. Some of them may have subbed you, I think.
Huh?
I think some of them may have subbed you.
Yeah, a lot of them did.
Die, all of you. Ha 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 ha. Oh, yay, finally. I'm gonna fucking shoot the crap out of you guys. Wasting my time. Wasting precious, precious hours of my time. 12 minutes. But it felt like hours. What the hell, game? That was really weird. Of all the glitches I've encountered, that has to be one of the weirdest ones.
Congratulations on Soniac, you made the best of your game.
Right, let's see, what should I buy now? Should I buy the Nitro? Or should I buy something else? If I'm gonna buy anything, I think I'll save up for one of these two. No, one of these three. Rhino! I want the Rhino! Starship Enterprise. Oh no, wait, Phoenix. Sorry, Phoenix. Starship Phoenix, not Enterprise, that's Star Trek. Doo-doo. My new ship is cool, it's sexy, it's awesome. I don't care much for this cutscene. Right. We had, I believe, 3, is it 3? No, it's just 2. Should I do it? No, I can't do it yet. Not enough time. Helga. Helga tells me to do a little racetrack thingy. I will not do it because we're running out of time. We're missing 2 trophies. Omega and... All Omega and Nano. There you go. And then the door will open. Open up, damn it! So, not much to do in this game, is there? Yeah, awesomeness.